how, but it doesn't matter. It's not about how, it's about I wanted to, and I'm going to make that happen, you know. And maybe this would be the note of today, that you don't have to know how, you just have to have this feeling inside of you that you want to do it. And when you really want something, you have something so special in you and so powerful in you that is like the force inside of you that will help you to manifest or feminist that to happen into your reality. And I hope this talking today can support you a little bit more into your crochet journey. Don't be afraid if you are still new here on the crochet pathway. If you just take the hook or pick up the hook 1 month ago, last week, or even yesterday, don't get overwhelmed by all the things you see on internet. Just see it as a blessing that you have this opportunity to learn something that you have never known before, or to remember something that you started in the past, and now is the time for you to come back and continue this work, because